would turn in your books on page 2. I didn't know what order the recipes were. We're going to do the millet butter first. This is one of the recipes that call for a blender. All right. How many of y'all know what millet is? It's a grain. Where do most people usually see it? In the pet store, right? It's bird seed, but it's also good for humans too. All right. We need 2 cups of water. And a half a cup of cashews. Raw cashews are the best to use. You can find those at the health food store. If you can't get to the health food store, just buy the regular ones in the can and rinse off the salt. All right. And carrots. 2 to 3 tablespoons. This is just for color. They're raw.
Are they just cut up or are they shredded?
They're shredded.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to blend this up until it's nice and creamy and warm. The advantage of having a Vitamix blender is that it can boil your water or whatever you have in here. You can feel the side of it and it'll start getting warm. The main ingredient is the millet. And on your recipe book, I don't believe it tells you how to cook the millet. You need 4 cups of water. You might want to write this on your paper. 4 cups of water and 1 cup of millet. Just boil your water and add your millet, and this will yield 3 cups of cooked millet. Starting to get warm. Another ingredient is the plain kosher gel. You have to find that at a health food restaurant. I don't know if you know, but gelatin or Jell-O that you buy in the regular grocery store is made out of either cow hooves, horse hooves, I don't know, maybe pig hooves, I'm not sure, but so that's not a very clean thing to eat. And so they make a vegan kind, and this is made by Natural Desserts, all natural, gluten-free, vegan, contains no artificial colors or flavors. All right, that's nice and warm. See it smoking? All right, I'm going to go ahead and add the millet. And I went ahead and mixed my salt and my gelatin, so I'm going to wait before I add that. I'm going to add the salt with the gelatin. You're supposed to do that last. sea salt. All right, that's good enough. Oh, my butter flavoring. I was about to forget that. Did you get this at Wildwood, Mike? This butter flavor? It's butter flavor. And that's the whole 16 ounces.
How much salt was that, Tracy?
It's 2 teaspoons of salt. And we're going to do 2 teaspoons of butter flavoring.
How much butter flavor?
2 teaspoons. That not on there either?
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Okay, all right, we'll blend this again thoroughly. The kosher gel and the salt. One heaping tablespoon of the kosher gel and 2 teaspoons of the sea salt. Then it says to put it in a squeezy container and refrigerate so that it can set up. It won't be all that hard, but it'll be spreadable like your squeezed butter that you find in the grocery store. This is not, you shouldn't cook with this, but it's good for toast and to put on your vegetables and things like that. All right, I'll just clean up here, and if you want to pause.